สวัสดีค่ะในช่วงนี้เดี๋ยวเรามารู้จักกับมหาวิทยาลัย Capilano University หรือ CapU กันค่ะ Hi welcome to Bangkok
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
it's my great pleasure can you please let us know some information about Capilano University please
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Huang and I am the representative of Capilano University in Southeast Asia. We are a public university located in North Vancouver, BC, Canada. As a public university, we offer several different programs for international students, from business to tourism to science to art to visual to film. There are so many opportunities for you at Capilano Universities. About our location, we are located around 40 minutes away from downtown Vancouver. And Vancouver is a beautiful city and still my favorite Canadian city ever. This is just my personal opinion.
what is the class size at the Capilano University please
That's a great question. So normally our class has around 30 students, which leave us students a lot of room to interact with their professor, their instructor. They have a lot of personal time with their instructor. So in case the students struggle a little bit at the lecture, they get some time from the professor to support them.
The School of Business at Capilano University is very famous, and actually, a lot of Capilano U alumni are successful business people here in Thailand. Can you please introduce like what programs in the business area that you offer?
So our business faculty is the biggest faculty within the university. The most popular program would be the bachelor degree of business administration. The program is highly flexible. In the first 2 years, students have some time to explore different aspects within business, and then when they move to their third year, they will choose their major, which spans among marketing, accounting, international business, logistics, business analytics, and human resources. So this gives students some time to explore before they decide with the career that they want to have within business. The program offer a co-op, offer an exchange semester, so students can have a really good experience before they even graduate from the university.
Also, Capilano U is very famous for the design program, animation, film production. Can you please share with us some of the unique programs?
Absolutely. Thank you for asking this question because film and animation or visual communication have always been our pride and joy. We have a really well-known Bachelor of Motion Picture Arts program. So this is perfect for students who want to become film director, producer, or screenwriter. We offer two different animation programs in 2D and 3D animation. So if students want to work in Pixar, work with Disney, this would be the program for them to go to. If you have seen the movie Elementals, it was done by our alumni. And we also have a really strong visual communication programs. So if a student want to have a career as an illustrator or they want to work in branding or UX and UI, then that would be their program.
And Vancouver has nickname Hollywood of the North, so there must be a lot of job for those who are like in film and animation or game design, right?
You're correct. So Vancouver is a massive art hub in Canada. So there's a strong community for art, and like you mentioned, it's a Hollywood of Canada. So there's a lot of film production taking place within Vancouver. So students who manage to get in our film programs or design programs, normally they don't have to worry much about their career, but the study can be really difficult.
And also, at Capilano University, you have a very famous bachelor degree in tourism program. Can you please let the audience know about your bachelor degree or diploma programs? Because a lot of the tour operator in Vancouver also graduate at CapU.
Oh, absolutely. And I think we got this question a lot in Thailand because Thailand is very famous for their tourism industry. So at Capilano University, we offer a bachelor degrees in tourism management, and tourism is so much more than just traveling. Even right now, we are in this hotel doing this event. It's a part of tourism.
That's
So
right.
yeah, so the tourism program can get students a really flexible career, and I don't think there's any better place to study tourism rather than Vancouver. It's a beautiful city that attracts so many tourists per year. So to go to Vancouver and do tourism makes perfect sense.
And you also have program in early childhood education. Is it popular?
Oh, absolutely. So as a public university, we do offer a lot of different programs, and for early childhood care and education, we provide a diploma, the 2 year diploma, which leads directly into our 4 year degrees. If students want to upgrade their diploma, the programs can be very competitive. So if students can, for some reason, cannot get directly into our diploma or bachelor degree, we do have a pathway for them to get them some preparation before stepping into the main programs.
And for students that are interested in communication, you also have the Bachelor of Communication.
Oh, absolutely. You know so much about Capilano University. Sometimes I feel like you know about the school way better than me.
Oh, thank
Yes,
you.
we offer a diploma and a bachelor degrees in communication. The programs prepare students to stepping into a job in public relation or international relation. Students will be updated with all of the means of communication, from social media to event to traditional newspaper, magazine. It's a very demanding program. I often advise students to take the co-op a semester in the year 3 so they can get prepared before they have a career to graduation.
And now you have several campus. Can you please let the audience know where the campuses are located?
Yes. So beside our main campus in North Vancouver, we just established a new campus in Squamish, which is a beautiful city. Squamish is around 1 hour from the downtown of Vancouver, in the middle of the way from Vancouver to Whistler. And I think the campus has such a unique experience for students. If they stay in the student residence, every morning they wake up to the view of the mountain, which is beautiful. It's like studying in a resort. The campus is very new, and it doesn't have 100% of our programs. However, if your students are into nature, want to be surrounded by nature and breathtaking views, and that would be the campus for them.
And for the parents and students that are considering, should they go to a very big university that has a class size of like 1 to 200 students, or coming to a mid-sized university that has a smaller class size around 30, 35, and have like a close relationship with the classmates and instructor? What are the benefits of choosing mid-sized university?
That's a wonderful question. I think for a smaller size class, students would have more time to develop a relationship with their classmate and their instructor. And as you know, nowadays network is very important for the student future career. So I do think like student would have a better relationship within their community, and that would be a really deciding factor when they graduate. And also for international students, they normally have a slower start than the domestic student because they need some time to fit in with the area, to get to know the area, the community. So being in a smaller size class would help the instructor to actually like have a better eye on the students and provide them support when they need.
And for students that would like to work in Canada after completing their education at Capilano University, what type of student services that you offer to the students? Yeah.
So, as a public university, we understand that most of our students want a career in Canada. They invest in their education so they can have a better career in the future. So we do dedicate a lot of support into helping our students to build a strong and solid ground for their career in the future. We offer workshop teaching students how to write cover letter, how to prepare their CV, how to take interviews in a Canadian setting environment. We invite the future employers of students to connect with them, to
Oh.
talk to them, and to give speeches, to give them a better view in the industry that they are going to step in. We have a job center when we do job posting. A student can drop by if they are looking for a job and they need some help from us. We do industry day where we take students to company or corporation that we are partner with for students to develop their network and also to see the future environment that they are going to work in. So we do invest a lot in our student services. So as long as the students they are open, they are hardworking, and they have good attitude, I think they have nothing to worry about.
And can you please let us know if you have PGWP eligible programs at Capilano universities?
So as a public university, all of our bachelor degrees are eligible for PGWP. We also have some diplomas that are eligible, like early childhood care education or animation or interaction design. So the majority of our programs are PGWP eligible.
Thank you so much. And for those who want to apply to Capilano University, what do they need to do?
So, Pacific Premier has been one of our long-time partner in Thailand, and they send us many great students who have been very successful in Canada and back in Thailand as well. If you are interested in Capilano University, feel free to reach out to them and apply to Capilano University through them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
ขอบคุณ
you.
ค่ะ Thank you.